What's up guys? Welcome back to the TR7 channel. Last week we had Harry showing you how to set up a board. This week I'm going to give you 6 steps to get you started with your skateboarding. So to begin with, just put one foot on, covering the 4 bolts, and then the second with the other foot. Step back off, both feet, and do it again. Repeat this motion. This will come in handy later when you learn to push. So once you're comfortable stood on your board, you don't feel like you're going to fall off every time you put both feet on it, you're going to move on to the next step, which is weight distribution. From this position, you're going to move your back foot, whichever one that may be, don't worry too much. You're going to move it across onto the tail of the board, away from those bolts. When you're here, you want to try and lift your front wheels up and put them back down again.
Step up time, step up, yo. Step up time.
I'm shifting my weight from my front foot onto my back foot. I'm not leaning too far back because then I'll fall off the board. So it's just nice and gentle. So my shoulders are still aligned with my feet, but I'm just shifting my weight onto this back leg. The next step would be a thing that's known as a pivot. A pivot is when you lift up the front or the back of the board, and as you do it, you turn with it, so you can spin round on the spot. You're going to twist them as you lift the wheels up, and what that will do is it will make the board spin round, okay? So we'll start off with what's known as the backside pivot, which is when you go in the direction that your toes are pointing. So all I'm going to do, pre-wind my arms, and then as I lift the nose, spin all the way around. If you're a complete beginner, it's very unlikely you'll be able to do the full 360 in one go. So start small and work your way up to it. You can start by doing tiny pivots like this. Just remember to use those shoulders. So that's the backside pivot. Now we're going to work on the front side pivot. It's very good to do both backside and front side early on, because if you can get comfortable with both of them, you'll benefit from it in your future of skating. For this one, because you've got a bit of a blind spot, you're turning the way your back's pointing, try and turn your head and look where you want to go. Instead of just turning your shoulders, turn your whole upper body. To get comfortable, swing your arms a bit harder. So pushing is obviously a very important thing with skateboarding. A lot of people will take quite a while to figure out which is the front foot and which is the back. For me, I'm regular, which means my left one is the front one. If your right one's the leading foot, then you're leading. Push with your front foot on the board and your back foot is the one that's doing the pushing on the floor. We see a lot of people that do a push that we call the Mongo push, which is when you put your back foot on and push with your front. All of my weight is on the floor, even when I'm pushing. There's no weight on the board, so I can't get balance, I can't get speed. If I have my front foot on the board, before I even push, you can see my weight is directly above the board. When I do push, I'm in much more control. So if you're pushing Mongo, switch it around, get working on pushing properly, and you'll benefit from it in the future. You're going to start with the board behind you. If you're regular like me, left foot forward, you're going to put your foot on the board, and to begin with, you're just going to gently rock it backwards and forwards. Your front foot is the one that's going to hold most of your weight, so the angle you put it at is going to make a lot of difference. People tend to do this and put their foot straight, which works great when you're pushing, but then feels weird when you're stood on the board. And then the alternative one that we see a lot is people who put their foot completely straight, which feels horrible pushing, but they're normal when you're on the board. So what's the key to pushing? Well, it's finding that middle ground. So instead of going straight, or straight that way, you're going to start kind of at an angle. So you want to be covering one of the bolts, you want to still see the other 3, that's when you know your foot's at a good angle. Try and add some forward motion into it. So really gently, push, step on the board with your back foot and just relax, keeping those knees bent. You do not want to get into a habit of skating looking at your feet, looking straight down. you're at a busy skate park, it makes it a lot easier to crash into people. So the second you get that back foot on the board, you want to be looking exactly where you want to end up going. So as soon as your feet are ready, you've pushed, you're stood on the board, look up, look straight ahead and relax. So to finish this lesson off, we're going to do one final move which is known as the tic-tac. This one takes a bit of time to master, so don't beat yourself up if you don't get it straight away. Take your time, practice it, and it will come naturally. You need to already have mastered the backside pivot and the front side pivot, which we spoke about earlier. So don't even try it if you struggle with either of those. You want to get those two dialed before you move on to this one. All you're going to do to make the board move forward is do a backside pivot, a front side pivot, a backside pivot, and so on. And what that does is it makes you move forward because you're pushing out to the side. You still want to shift your weight from foot to foot, because if you keep all of your weight on your back foot for this one, you're not going to move hardly anywhere. If you shift your weight onto your front foot, as you pivot it, you'll find that that's what's making you move forward, like this. You don't need to do it quickly, do it one move at a time. So back side, front side, back side, front side. You should be able to start stood completely still and still move forward without touching the floor at all. I've come all the way over here and I haven't touched the floor, so that's a tic-tac. If you're finding that any of these moves in particular are difficult, feel free to leave a comment below, tell us what you're struggling with and we'll do our best to help you out. If you want a little bit more in-depth help, book a lesson through TR7 Skate Park and we can give you feedback, as everyone is different, you all learn at different paces, and having an instructor will help you work on the things that you struggle with most. So that's something that you can work towards. If you're a complete beginner, get comfortable pushing, get comfortable pivoting, tic-tacking, and then just try and put it all together. You can use different obstacles, you can use anything you want, and basically set yourself up a little course and see if you can skate in and out of it all. It will get you much more comfortable stood on your board, and it's all these small things that will make you a much better skater overall when you come to learn to skate ramps and ledges and all these different obstacles. So keep practicing, and if you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe to our channel, click the notifications, and you will always be the first to see our TR7 videos.